Here we go, guys, our freedom fighters. Again. Salah. Alright guys, this is our American soldiers right here, hard at work, coming back in to do what the soldiers have already done. They've already established our presence. They already know who we are. Here we go. He has to make that drive a shame again. These fools are tripping out on this too, bro. Right, baby. You just wasted your time, huh?
Have a great day.
Hey, don't you fight for freedom, man? Don't you fight for freedom? Know what freedom is. That's our soldier right there, man. Dang. Mad freedom fighter. Did you lose some change or what? You need a quarter? You need a quarter, clown?
Oh shit.
He dropped the package. Oh, they just dropped the package, bro. Alright, here he comes again.
I want to go see where the cops are.
Yep.
Are you guys part of SGV? You guys are, aren't you? Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I follow you guys on YouTube, man. It's awesome. You guys are doing a good thing, man. Oh, your ice cold audits? That's SGV. That's gotta be SGV. For sure.
How you doing?
What's up, brother? How you doing? SGV, right?
Yeah, what's your name?
Officer Navarro, Los Alamitos Police Department. Badge number 206.
Right on, brother.
For sure. You guys take pictures? I don't care about that.
Yeah.
All I ask is don't impede traffic, the flow of traffic. That's it. You guys are on the sidewalk. You guys aren't doing anything wrong.
You know we're
You know what I'm saying? I know what you guys are all about. It is what it is, man.
Appreciate it.
You guys
man.
gotta do what you gotta do. As long as you're not breaking the rules, then I'm cool with it. You know what I'm saying?
Right
Appreciate you,
on.
man.
Right on.
For sure.
How long you been PD in Los Alamitos?
2 years. About 2 years
okay,
now.
cool.
Yeah. How you guys doing?
Like it?
I love it, man.
Keep you busy out there, huh?
Oh yeah. I mean, we're a good department, and you know, you guys coming out here is putting us on the map. You know what I'm saying?
Ah, there you go,
Yeah.
man.
You know?
Thanks for
good
coming
thing.
out, man.
Yeah. So, like all I said is, if you're, as long as you're not impeding traffic, the flow of traffic, you guys are good. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You guys good?
We're on the other side. You know how it goes.
Oh, I know how it goes, man.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
But thanks
So-
for coming out and showing your, you know,
Oh, yeah, for sure.
positive feedback for us and knowing your rights.
Oh, yeah, for
especially,
sure.
man, because
We
that's
need
what's
more
most
like you.
important.
That's what we need.
For sure.
Yeah.
So
You guys-
yeah,
you
man.
guys
So
have a
they
good
called
time?
you or what?
Them?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
far, yeah.
Yeah, they're treating you nice. Everyone's treating you
Yeah.
nice over here.
Yeah.
That's good, man.
I mean, they just look at us and that's about it.
I mean, but did they call you over here or suspicious guy or something?
No, they're just saying people are filming. They want to know what the filming is all about.
okay.
You know, people are curious nowadays. You know,
Yeah,
especially
for
what's
sure,
going
man.
on.
Yeah.
So, like I said, you guys aren't doing anything wrong. You guys are on the sidewalk. As long as you're on the sidewalk, then you guys are good to go. You know what I'm saying?
Appreciate you, man.
So,
You're gonna go talk to them?
probably they're probably curious to what's going on. They see a police officer right here speaking to you guys. They're gonna want to know. But,
Yeah.
you know,
for
you know
sure.
how it is.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
But I'm
Appreciate
good
that,
if you
man.
guys are good. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we're
We're
good.
good.
We're all good.
Good.
Yeah.
Appreciate you, man.
Appreciate
Alright, you guys
it.
have a good one,
Officer
alright?
Navarro,
You
have a
too.
good
Be
one,
safe out
brother.
there.
You too, brother.
All right,
you.
you too.
There we go.
Gotta keep it real with the ones that you know keep their boots on the ground on a positive note. You know.
That's why I was cool with him, you know, because as soon as he went through, he identified himself, everything, professional.
Oh yeah.
And then he was all like,
Bro. Imagine it wasn't him, it was his partner. Right on, brother. Good job, bro. And it's great success, man. We got PD rolling now to educate the facility and was very peaceful with us. That's always good to know that there's good blood on the streets.
not all cops are bad. Not all cops are good. You know?
Respect where it's deserved, period. You gotta start taking selfies with when they come out, huh? Just turn around, take a selfie with them. Get out of here.
Hey, just go like this. You're trying to kick, or you kick them out.
Oh dang, they call the cops on us, huh?
Yeah.
There it is.
Look at that fucking, look at that car. That's just nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Well, we got this one. The cops leaving. What's his name? Navarro?
Navarro.
Navarro? Yeah. That's a nice one to do. Very nice.
You should ask him how clean is it in the back of his vehicle, you know? for public safety, you know.